Okay, guys, it's February 1st, and as I promised in my YouTube live today, um, I'm going to figure out how to do the Rubik's Cube. It looks like it's not. It's not. It's just one side. So I'm going to cheat. I need a little help. So there's an app on the phone, Cube Solver. So I'm going to say that I have what do I have? I have a 3x3, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's a 3x3 cube. You choose that, and it's actually asking me if I want to solve it, learn it, or the patterns. I'm going to solve it. Okay. So, what it does, and I've had this on here before. So, you pick the color, you pick what it looks like. So, this one looks like this, right? Okay. Next. The next side I'm going to do is the green side. And it looks like one, two, oh wait, I gotta turn it green. These are all green. And then it's got red and blue. So, oh wait, this one's green. This one's red, and these two are blue. Right? Good. All right, we're gonna go to the next side. Oops, maybe not. Hold on. Okay. Oh, I was supposed to turn it a certain direction because it does it a certain way. So if I have this one, and then I need to go to this side. So this needs to be this side. All right, so I gotta change that. Y'all see that? Sorry, I didn't bring my other camera over here. So we got blue, 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 blue. And then we have a red here. We have two orange down here, and we have a yellow here. It looks white, but it's yellow. Okay, so when I hit next, it's going to turn the cube this way. So I need to do this side. Okay, so you guys that, oops, not, no, my yellow one's in the middle. Orange is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This one's almost solved, right? You guys have been following me that are cubing. I am so sorry, but I'm gonna use this. All right, I got this side, and it's turning it this way. One turn this way. So we're gonna fill in the blanks here. Now, I'm only doing this for the sake that I really want to solve it. Will I learn it? Yes. I will try to use this app to teach me the actual pattern of the cube. Okay, I'm going to go one more this way. So this side is the red because it's in the middle. We got red, 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 red up here. We have the red T, but it's sideways. So maybe I've been holding it wrong the whole time. I was holding the T a different direction. I don't know. Um, so that's what that one looks like. The next side, oh, we're gonna flip it over this way. This is the green side. So we're gonna get green. Have that. We have a red one here and blue, blue. Okay. Oops, the red didn't change. Red. Okay. Now it's gonna tell me how to solve it. All right. So it's ready to go. It's supposed to be solvable in 21 moves. I wonder if that's true. All right. So if I turn it, this is the way it looks right now. That's exactly what it shows. Okay, so I guess I press this button. Okay, so it's going to show me these moves. All right. So I am going to, oh gosh, I guess I'm going in order, like you would regularly read the book. So let's try this. I'm going to put this here because I can't hold that at the same time. So if I'm holding it like this, it says to move this way. Does it say two? No. This way, around, this side forward, this side back, this side around, this side around, this side back this way, this side around, the front facing around this. I'm not even looking at the what's happening because I'm kind of scared to see what's happening. Turn this way, turn this way, turn back this way, turn back this way, and turn this way. Okay. Uh, what do I do next? I don't know what to do because that didn't solve it. It just messed it all up. Um, oh, hold on. Oh my gosh, I completely messed that up. So you're supposed to spin it a couple times. It has, oh. Ah, okay. Solving the Rubik's Cube with an app. Maybe I've got to start over. Let's go back. Um, I might have to call the way back. Oh no, how do I do that? Um, we're gonna have to. I'm gonna have to redo it because now it's all crazy and uh, okay. I'm gonna put this all in again quickly. Um, oh my goodness. And put all the colors back in now a different order because, you know, I know you guys out there that are cubing people are probably laughing so hard at me. I'm so happy that I'm giving you a little bit of comic relief today. Because obviously this has been this has been an ongoing thing. So if you've been watching my YouTube channel for the past week, the last week of January, you will know what I'm talking about. It's just been sitting over here on the desk or on the shelf, and it looks at me all day long. And what did I just name it? I think I named it Charlie. Charlie the Cube. Um, go to the next one. And yeah, so I'm putting in all this information again because now I kind of understand how the app works. And after I put everything in and then messed it up and then had to start over, um, red, green. I'm sure you all are laughing at me so bad, but it's okay. It's okay. It's all right. Y'all laugh. I will have it solved. I did promise that I would solve it today. I just did not say how I was going to be solving it. Um, and I am filming this live. This is happening all live, what I'm doing. And I might post the video or I might not. Um, all right. That. A white one here, a white one here, a yellow one here. I wanted to have this done before my friends get here because we have people coming over. All right. Checking colors. All right. We're good to go, I think. Please check the numbers of each color. What? Blue? I did something wrong. It knows that I did something wrong. What the heck? Blue, white. Aha! It does know. What the heck? It knew I had one wrong. That was cool. All right, 22 moves now. And it's showing me the direction and such. So I am going to follow it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait. Go back. Stop. Stop. Move. Okay, I gotta be on the right side of the cube for this. Where is that one? Okay, this is it. This is the side. It's facing me currently. Okay, you got that? All right. It's gonna show me 3, 2, 1. Turn this one way. Turn this back. This way. This one here. This one. Oof, around top. Oh shoot! Here, 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 here. This is not. Stop! Stop! Oh gosh. That is not what it looks like. I don't know where I'm at anymore. Green. This is not right. Okay. I have to start over again. Dang. Oh my gosh. Take 3. Let's do it again. All right. Facing me. I gotta put them all in again. I am so sorry, guys. This is crazy. Y'all laugh. You guys laugh because it is kind of funny. Turn it this way. All right. Yellow, yellow, yellow. This is the orange side. Have a red here, a white here, and a green here. Okay. Next turn. It's this way. This is the yellow middle. And it's orange there, red, white, and white, and blue. Turn it this way. This is the side I have to put in. So we're at green, blue, and one yellow. Next, turn it this way, which is the white side. The white in the middle. White, red, orange, yellow, and green. on this side. And then this side, the red side, red middle, red, 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 a yellow there, an orange there, a white, oops, a white, a green, and another orange here. All right. It's going to start me. It's showing me the cube this direction. This, and this is the top. I'm really going to try not to mess it up. All right. So, take 3. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Spells. No. I missed something already? This is what it shows me on the front. This is different. Aha. Aha. Okay. This is the right. Oh, I can spin the cube around too. Let's not confuse myself any more than I already am. Okay. The next move. Let me hit the play button again. Forward, forward, back, forward, forward, back, 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 around the bottom, around the top, this way. Oh, wait, wait, wait. Stop, 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 stop. This is not what I have. Oh, you got this. Why? What? 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 What did I do? This is not what it's showing me that I just did. Um, I'm really frustrated. Okay. Take 4. Oh my goodness. This is nuts. Okay, we're going to try it again. We're going to click the 3 by 3. We're going to hit it for solving. And we're going to fill it back in again. Oh my goodness. How many times does it take to do this? Green, green, white, orange. Next. Green, green, white, blue, blue, orange, orange. There's activity upstairs. I wonder if our friend's here. He's supposed to be here in like 3 minutes. We didn't really set a time for tonight. We just told one of our friends what time to come over. Everybody else come over later, I guess. But this friend that's coming over now, he's cooking the chili here at our house. So, um, so that's going to be happening. I might not get this done. Will I have to edit a video? I don't know. It's going to be crazy. All right, got that one. Turn this side. Oh, right. There's 5 of them at mine here. Maybe I was on my way to it being fixed on take 3, but we are doing take 4. And I'm going to do it this time. I think the last time I have had a cube solver on my phone before, and it wasn't like this. Like I took a picture of each side, and it was a lot easier. This one I actually have to like do a lot more work. Okay, please check because apparently I've got it wrong. Green. Okay. Um, previous one. That one's right. This side. Red, yellow, blue, blue, orange, green. Yeah, aha. It's kind of crazy. It knows that that is wrong. This one needs to be green. And something's wrong with the white, it says. I have too many whites put on. Let me see this. Oh, it does know. How does it know that? That's blue, yellow. This is very Mondrian. I'm having Mondrian vibes. Woo! Um, if you know, you know. Um, okay, that one's right. This side. Aha! I got too many blues. That should be red. Okay. Next should be this. Next should be this. That's right. That should be that. That's that. And that should be that. Okay. Here we go. This is the side I'm looking at right now. Okay. Shows me to hold it like this, facing me like this. Okay. Now it's 28 moves. I really messed it up. I had 21 moves and 22. Now it's 28. Take 4. All right. So, oh, I can do them one by one. Let's do that. I thought I had to push this timer. Okay, this is what it's looking like. There's a timer here and then it's step by step. I'm just going to use step by step and not try to beat the clock. It says I'm supposed to do it in 3 seconds. No, not going to happen. It's not possible for me to do that. Step 1, turn it this way. Okay. Step 2, do it again. Step 3, turn this forward. Okay. Everything's looking right. This side backwards, 1. To the left, 1. To the left, 2. To the back, 1. To the bottom, a back. The bottom, back. Okay, everything's looking good, guys. We're at step 10 of 28. Oh, we turn the whole face sideways. And sideways again. Oh wait, forward. Okay. I think that's where I got messed up. I did a forward instead of a backward a little while ago. Okay. I wish I had my second camera on so you guys could see the steps. So there's this one. It's actually working. It's working, guys. You guys are all going to be so excited when you see this cube all put together. And then my friends' kids are coming. They're probably going to come in here and just totally mess it up. They probably will because, you know, They like a challenge too. Forward. Oh my god, I'm doing it, you guys. One more time. I did it. Thank you to the app. Yay! All right. It took me 4 times, fourth time, to actually do it with the app, and it worked. So, anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you out there, my cubing people that are out there, enjoyed this hysterically challenging moment in my life. Yay, it's done. Okay. Bye-bye. 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 Where's the mouse? Okay. Bye.